Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi, and if you or your loved one is struggling with vitiligo, you might be wondering, can I stop it from spreading? And the good news is yes, while vitiligo is complex, you can control its progression and even support repigmentation with the right approach. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll be sharing essential lifestyle changes, Ayurvedic remedies and practical tips that can help in vitiligo management. And if you have ever tried any remedies for vitiligo, comment below and share your experiences. I would love to hear from you. So now I'll briefly explain what vitiligo is. Vitiligo is an autoimmune condition where the body's immune system mistakenly attacking the pigment producing cells called melanocytes. This leads to white patches on the skin which may gradually spread. And it's not just a cosmetic concern, it can affect confidence, mental health and overall well-being. While modern medicines offers treatment like steroids and light therapy, but Ayurveda looks at the root cause and provides natural and holistic solutions. Let us dive into how you can stop vitiligo from spreading. So if you want to slow down your vitiligo, it's essential to avoid these triggers. Number 1, stress and anxiety. Psychological stress weakens the immune system. Accelerating vitiligo, practicing meditation and yoga can help manage stress effectively. This can help improve your overall body health, simultaneously stopping the progression of vitiligo. Number 2 is nutritional deficiencies. Nutritional deficiencies, especially in vitamin B12, folic acid, copper and zinc can worsen vitiligo. Ensuring a balanced diet rich in these nutrients supports skin health. I shared many food in the past video. You can watch and include those food into your daily lifestyle to manage your vitiligo effectively. Number 3 is harsh chemical products. Harsh chemical products including skin care and hair dyes can irritate the skin and worsen vitiligo. Avoiding chemical-laden products and opting for natural, gentle alternatives help protect sensitive skin and prevent further aggravation of the condition. Number 4 is injury and skin trauma. Even minor cuts, burns or skin injuries can trigger new vitiligo patches due to the Koebner phenomena. This reaction causes depigmentation in affected area, making it essential to protect the skin from trauma to prevent further spread of vitiligo. Number 5 is unhealthy gut. An unhealthy gut, poor digestion and an imbalanced microbiome can trigger autoimmunity, potentially worsening vitiligo. Strengthening gut health through a balanced diet and probiotics may help regulate your immune responses and reduces the progression of depigmentation. Now, let us explore Ayurvedic ways to prevent vitiligo from spreading and support skin healing. Number 1, balancing Pitta dosha. According to Ayurveda, vitiligo is linked to an imbalance in Pitta which governs metabolism and skin health. So, to balance dosha, you must avoid spicy, fried and fermented food to keep Pitta in check. Add practice yoga or deep breathing practices. Number 2, Ayurvedic herbs. Powerful herbs like bakuchi, guduchi and neem help boost your melanin production and regulate immunity. You can make juice from these herbs and drink it in the morning so that your vitiligo can be managed from inside your body. Number 3, natural oils and application. Applying Ayurveda's Viti Calm and Bakuchi oil mixed with coconut oil on affected areas can stimulate repigmentation. These two powerful ingredients help to manage the condition effectively. And do you know, diet plays a crucial role in managing vitiligo. I am going to share some essential dietary guidelines that you can include in your daily lifestyle. First one is to eat antioxidant rich fruit like cucumber, bitter gourd and leafy vegetables. Second one is to include food high in copper. Store drinking water in a copper vessel overnight and drink it in the morning. And the third one is to consume turmeric, which has anti-inflammatory property and manage your vitiligo from inside your body. Fourth one, avoid excessively dairy, citrus, fruit and junk food. And last is to stay hydrated and avoid smoking and alcohol. Now, vitiligo is cured when you get the proper treatment at the right time, and I'll share some inspiring before and after images of a little one patient who was only 3 months old. And you know, within just 4 months, the baby became vitiligo free. His journey proves that vitiligo can be managed and healed effectively with the right approach. Remember, vitiligo does not have a quick fix, but it is manageable and treatable when you get the treatment at the right time, and you can take control of your skin health. So that is all for today's video, and if you found this information valuable, give this video a thumbs up and share it with those who might need it. And you can also contact us at the number mentioned in the video if you have any questions or doubts about your skin condition. and comment below if you have any questions. I go through your comments and try to respond as many as possible. Thank you and take care. Till then, keep smiling and stay healthy.